On this session, we are going to dive into the different types of products in Salesforce CPQ. When you think about products that can be sold or products that you buy on a daily basis, these products are usually grouped into one, a standalone product or a bundle. So using our bento box example, as you can see on the left of your screen, so we have a octopus hot dog. So if the bento box company was selling their products to other organizations like elementary schools, let's say the kids, they loved octopus hot dogs. So the schools wanted to just buy a bunch of the octopus hot dogs and they'll give them to the kids individually. So Salesforce CPQ allows the salesperson that is selling to that school to add individual products like this octopus hot dog to a quote. And then to the right, you also have what we have as bundles. So when the sales rep is quoting that elementary school, as you can see in this bundle, they have octopus hot dogs, and you also have other things to accompany the octopus hot dogs, right? So in Salesforce CPQ, you have a few ways of going about selling bundles. You can have the system set up in a way that what you see on the screen on the right is what can be sold. No adjustments could be made to this bundle. Or you can also have it where the sales reps can make adjustments to this bundle. Instead of 3 of the rice balls here, you could have them quote and say, okay, well, this particular customer only wants to have 2 in the bundle so that the price can be adjusted potentially. So on the next video, we'll dive into the system on how to set up each one of these scenarios in Salesforce CPQ.